If you're wondering how to get a note that's high and hard to get, I'm going to give you a tidbit for what you're going to do. And it's, I know that my love isn't here. I know that my love isn't here. Now that I could choke on that if I wasn't watching what I'm doing. The secret to doing that is check out the vowel. I'm going up for the vowel and I'm supporting here. I'm coming out and supporting in order to get it. I'm not pulling away from it. I'm not trying to get it like it's uphill. I'm aiming like this towards it. Okay? You got to aim for the note. Keep the vowel in mind. Stay open. Support. You're going to get your notes. Have a great day. It is such a day, such a mighty